Getting the Zodiacs ready for the 2 o'clock expedition. Here goes Zodiac 1.
And then landing on shore, it's a wet landing onto a sandy beach. You need to wear your waterproof.
We're going to be landing at New London.
And always good to waterproof your camera gear, just in case.
I want to see bears and walruses. That's my focal point. If I don't see any, I will be major disappointed.
But before I take you there, we're just going to go over some man overboard drills. First and foremost, if I go overboard, it kills the engine. So this is my kill cord. It's always attached to me. If I fall overboard and you don't feel like turning around to get me, there's an extra kill cord in here. So just, yeah, but to reattach it, stick this in the button. Okay. So, just to go over a few things. So we've got some extra fuel in the front. We have a first aid kit. We also have an anchor bag. My firearm is there in the plastic case. I ask that no one touch that, please, around the edge. So feel free to hold on to those if it gets a bit bumpy. People in the front tend to feel a little bit more of the bump, obviously.
Yes.
So if you have any back problems, it's good to let your driver know ahead of time.
Our first landing, and it's friggin' cold out here. Those are all minor cabins. For one more group before we set out. And one person with rifle.
I'm from Scotland at the moment.
One person with a rifle will be at the back. About summer camp, how about Camp Mansfield? You don't think it's a bad idea? Do you think I should sell tickets? Or run the camp?
Well, I think there's a possibility.
Accommodations. And this was all for marble around 1913. But they found the quality of marble was not very good. We're starting a summer camp next year. We're going to collect reindeer droppings. Just having fun talking together rather than delving into the history of the area. Here he comes. There's a ptarmigan. You can see the head coming.
He's coming.
He's coming. He's coming. I guess I should.
There he is. He's coming.
And the female is like.
He's. Shh. Be quiet. He's right here.
A female ptarmigan just over there.
Come on, baby.
What is it? Ptarmigan.
Probably thinks, what the heck is all this bright yellow? Material for the quarry. The quarry was no good because of the permafrost. It was all frozen underneath and cracked up. But the quarry was up there over the hill. Colin, what species of reindeer are those?
It's simply a reindeer. We have two species, which are the reindeer and caribou. So in Europe, we have reindeer. In North America, there are caribou. And amongst those, there aren't any species subdivisions.
So these are the same reindeer I would have seen in Finland?
Correct. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, there.
But they just have subtle differences in their morphology, like different shaped antlers and slightly different coats. So reindeer and caribou, pretty much the same thing, but slight variations on the same species. But yes,
thank you. Itty bitty purple flowers are purple saxifrage. Teensy weeny little bit of color.